Okay, so we're going to start by going over quickly, okay, the different transformations that we have learned. Because in real life, we're not going to do one transformation at a time, okay? The question doesn't only have to be either vertical stretch or vertical compression, or it doesn't have to be only vertical translation, or it doesn't have to be only horizontal translation. It could be all three together at the same time, okay? So, which means we learned that we have ax squared, right? Where a is my vertical stretch or vertical compression. Do you remember that? Okay. Then we learned y equals squared plus k, and we said that k is the vertical translation, up or down. You remember that? Then after that, we learned this, right? With the x minus h squared, right? Where h is the horizontal translation, left or right. Okay? But we've seen so far this by itself, this by itself, this by itself. Okay? So if I put all of this together, all of these transformations together, I will end up this. Okay? Where I have a x minus h squared plus k. So you see here, I have the a, which is the vertical stretch or compression or reflection. The h is my horizontal translation, left and right. And k is the vertical translation, up and down. Okay? So in this case, I'm looking at all three transformations. Okay? We talked about yesterday that the h value and the k value can represent what? Or will represent what? The vertex, right? So by looking at a question like this, so I'm going to give an example. I have y equals 2x minus 1 squared plus 7. Shouldn't have that bracket here. Okay? Is 2. Okay, so what does the A do to your graph? What does A do? Which is what? Vertical Translation, 7 units up. So you see, it's not only one or the other. I have all 3 of them. Bumper. If I add a negative here, I'm going to also have a fraction. Have to multiply by the A value. Right? So if I take this, I'm going to have to start at my vertex, which is 1 and 7. So I located my vertex. And then 1 to the right. I can do 1 to the left. Same thing. So 1, 2, 1 to the left. Okay. Then I have to go up 6. I know I can't fit it here. So what I keep with this, okay, so I hold 2, where I hold, up to create that function. Okay? So this is what we learned. But we learned it bits and pieces. Now we're putting it together. Now we're gluing it together. Put your hand up if you somewhat understand.